Jai Bhagwan. Chapter 5. Do charity with a sense of duty. Charity always brings forth bliss. Wherever you feel it is appropriate, help others, but definitely give. Give food. That is the most gratifying of all charities. When taking food, the person who is receiving will always reach some stage of satisfaction. This is not true of any other form of charity. Wealth can only move towards three destinations: charity, enjoyment, and destruction. There are four inheritors of wealth: religion, fire, government, and thieves. If you ignore the first, your wealth will be consumed by the wrath of the other three. Give to the middle class, for they are the ones who hesitate to ask for help. Give to the children of others, God will give yours. To be charitable is a form of religion, but when one's own needs are not being met, to insist on charity would be a religious sin. Charity need not be done with money. You can physically involve yourself with charity. Even a few kind words will help those in need of sympathy. Be careful to see that you do not compel anyone to give to a charitable cause. Do not force or influence anyone to do charity. We should work and behave in such a fashion that our attitude should make people come forward and give. Those who wish to give should feel motivated to give. An institution should be run so well. When you give charity, you can use your discretion and see who is deserving. But when you are moved by pity, do not stop to think. When you give charity, you can use your discretion and see who is deserving. But when you are moved by pity, do not stop to think. When pity is transformed into compassion, then you give with a good heart. Pity is a religion above all others. When sympathy matures, it becomes compassion. Compassion is a form of worship. The adjective used to describe God is benevolent. Compassion is wonderful. When you see the poor or the handicapped, you must feel compassionate. The demented, the poor, the miserable, the ill, the diseased, the ignorant, and the child all deserve kindness. Without knowing the person, when you feel his suffering, that is compassion. Compassion means love, solace, sympathy, and help. Compassion must be enforced with actions. Words will not do so. Jai Gurudev. Jai Bhagwan. A small prayer from our Gurudev to his Gurudev. Dear God, I do not desire the higher path, nor do I ask for salvation, nor do I seek divine powers, nor do I trust in paradise. Now, my only wish is that every living being will experience the joy of living. Even if this means I have to undertake their suffering, let everyone's troubles end. Signed, Ranchod Das.